Hello and welcome to marketing91.com. In this video, we are going to cover the topic on personal selling with the focus on Salesforce. Let's start with the introduction. Field sales call is the age-old and the most authentic form of direct marketing. Many industrial companies depend majorly on professional sales forces, or they hire manufacturers, representatives and agents to track down prospects, grow them into customers and expand the business. Direct selling personal force is used by many successful companies like Avon, Merrill Lynch, Amway, Tupperware and Mary Kay. Looking at the example of Avon had roughly 5 million average active representatives as of December 31st, 2019. It constitutes the number of representatives handing in an order in a sales campaign, adding up for all campaigns during the year and then splitting it by number of campaigns. Representatives profit by buying products directly from Avon at a rebated price from a printed brochure and selling them to the end consumer of the products. Moving on, sales representative covers 6 positions. First, deliverer, a salesperson, the responsibility or delivery of a product. Second, order taker, the one who takes orders inside or the one who takes orders outside. Missionary, someone who does not undertake orders but create goodwill or educates the existing or future user. Fourth, technician, a salesperson with extreme technological proficiency. Fifth, demand creator, a salesperson who finds creative methods to sell tangible products or intangible products. And finally, solution vendor, a salesperson who is an expert in solving the problems of a customer, frequently with an arrangement of the products and services from the company. Now moving on to the example of the Indian Direct Selling Association. According to Chetan Bharadwaj, the head of the Indian Direct Selling Association, the direct selling industry in the last 4 years recorded a CAGR of 16%. With almost 5.7 million direct sellers, the industry is valued over rupees 13,000 crores. That's roughly about $2 billion. Bharadwaj said that direct selling is one sector which grew even during economic downturn. Since a person does not require funds to join direct selling, more people come to this industry during downturn. We are telling our members that once we are out of the current restrictions, we have the potential to outgrow our past numbers. Moving on to the next example, Avon. Avon's partnership to deliver a global training platform for independent sales representatives. To create global training platform, the globally recognized leader and direct seller of beauty products Avon announced a partnership with Fuse Universal, leading provider of next generation learning technology. Under the company's business strategy to open up, one of the elements is partnership, through which it intends to set free the true potential of the brand. As Avon revolutionizes into a digital-first, social-selling fast beauty brand, the new training platform will transform the way the representative experience their training. Representative retention and their earning potential will increase as the platform will deliver fresh content to the representatives. An array of topics from beauty tutorials and skincare science to sales skills and marketing will be included in the training that will be delivered through the platform. And the final example on Tupperware. The company's products are primarily dispensed worldwide via the direct-to-consumer method, which means the products are sold to consumers outside conventional retail store locations by an independent sales force. By December 2018 worldwide, there were almost 2,100 distributors, 110,000 managers and 3 million dealers in the company's distribution system. In over 2 decades, Tupperware created a place for itself in millions of Indian households. The brand has more than 70,000 women as their direct sellers. Over the last 24 years, the brand's vision to inspire women to enrich their life, nourish their families and power communities around the world has resonated deep within them and continues to this day. So that's it folks, this brings an end to the topic on personal selling with a focus on Salesforce. These are some of the sources and links referred to for the content in the video. If you have liked the video, do subscribe to our channel. If you want to view these videos in an organized manner, you can visit freecourses.net, where all our videos are arranged in the form of courses. Thank you and see you in the next video.